Welcome to the review of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's go straight into the unboxing and then talk about the changes. If you don't care about unboxing, there are chapters in the timeline below, so you can skip straight into the changes. Now we have the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So what's really different about it? Well, not much compared to the original Ultra. Visually, it's the same, which is quite weird for Apple. Many rumors were saying that it would be black, and I expected it to, but they didn't do it, and it actually makes sense because we saw how dark colors on titanium look like. Not really good. Spec wise, we have a new chip, the S9. It should be more energy efficient and more powerful overall. The new S9 allows for a new feature that allows you to select the main button on the screen without actually tapping the screen when you double tap it like this. It's really useful when you're cooking, your hands are messy, and you can't really interact with the screen, so you can answer calls and do stuff like that. It also brings a new feature called Precision Finding that allows you to find your phone easier than ever. That's comparing it to the first Ultra, but what if we compare it to a Series 9 Apple Watch? It has features like the Depth app, which can accurately measure depth up to 40 meters. It also has a more accurate GPS system, but all of those features are made for professional hikers, endurance runners, and divers. And if you are one of them, I definitely suggest you to buy one because it can actually replace professional dive computers and other watches. But of course not if you already have the Ultra One, there is absolutely no need to upgrade. The only reason people like you and I should buy it is if we have spare 800 euros, really appreciate the battery life and like the looks of it. And Marques Brownlee really said this well. He says that for most of the people, Apple Watch SE is completely enough. And there is another group of people that need some features like the always on display and would like an Apple Watch Series 9 or 8. But there are still people who need more, who need something like the Apple Watch Ultra, who are professional hikers and divers, like I mentioned earlier in the video. There is really no need, you get it if you don't need more battery and you really like how it looks. I personally do like how it looks, but it is a little too big for me, so I think I'm going to be sticking with the normal Series 9. If you are enjoying the video so far, please consider liking and following so you don't miss out on my next releases. You may have heard about the ban in the US of the Apple Watch Ultra and Series 9, and that's because of the blood oxygen sensor. They had a patent issue with a health technology company called Masimo, and it's currently unavailable in the US but is in other countries. Now, should you buy it? Well, if you already have an Apple Watch, the answer is probably no, because the changes compared to the first Apple Watch Ultra are almost non-existent. And repeating from earlier, you should only get it if you like the looks and appreciate battery life and a bigger screen. But if you're not crazy about it and you already have an Apple Watch that's somewhat new, I don't recommend getting one. That would be it for this video. If you would like a features video on the new Ultra, please let me know in the comments. You can click here to view my iPhone 15 Pro review video, and you can click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next one. Bye.